Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change and edit your text color in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account. So after logging into your account, now you can access your store and all the options that you have for editing it, as you can see right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And guys, what we're going to be using today is the online store section right here. So you're going to open up online store. That's going to enable us to edit our store. So here you can find, this is going to open up this menu where we can take a look at our theme, and now we can get started with changing our text color. And we're going to do that by clicking the customize option right here. Clicking customize next to your theme is going to open up your theme editor where we can find all the options we have for editing our theme. As you can see here, we have our header section, our template, and our main section, as well as our footer. And what we're going to be using, guys, is this option right here. Let's go ahead and find what we want to edit. Let's say we want to change the text color in our header and our announcement bar. So you can click on it, and this is going to open up the option to edit it. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see that there is going to be a custom CSS option as well as theme settings. So under theme settings, you want to open up custom CSS, and this is where you can get started adding custom CSS. So you want to go ahead and enter in your CSS code. That's going to enable you to change your text color. You can find the code on the internet if you do not know how to code, but if you know how to code, this is where you want to do it. Enter in your size info and everything you need. After that, just save it and exit out the page, and it's going to apply to your store and change the color. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.